Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Uh, Today's video, of course, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Matic, and a little bit of Bitcoin dominance, just to see where we're at with all this. But the reason we're going over all this, of course, because I've been talking about Matic for days now, and we caught this beautiful move. I've talked about Cardano for days now. We caught that beautiful move, and we hit some targets here just now, actually. So I wanted to just go over some things to what to look for. Potential little pullback, but I think by this week we're going to go higher this weekend or even by Monday. I think we're gonna get above. I think we're gonna get above 50 grand and really start to move the team down the field. So I think a lot of these things we're in now. We met our first targets. But I think there's still more to go in the future here. But yeah, we could see a little pullback from here. Now, this is I'm on the Matic chart actually right now. It looks like So you can see I had 156. We got just a little bit above it. We got to 157. Um, but we had this beautiful breakout here. Came back, retested our angle. I posted all this stuff on Twitter. Then I said when it came up a little bit, and if some of you guys weren't in it in the video, I said, hey, we're going to come back down, retest this 145 area. That's exactly what we did. And then we bounced up, and I said we could bounce from there and go back up. Even if you guys just watched that video from yesterday and caught that move, I mean, you still would have made a nice 8% gain. Okay. So, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. And of course, Cardano, we've crushed it on this. I mean, first of all, I was calling the move way down at, when we hit that dollar 02 mark, and I ended up getting it at dollar 04. But then I talked about, if you guys weren't in it, it's about to explode right here. We got the explosion. You could see the couple times where we broke these trends. What kind of explosion we had here. For example, right here we broke a trend. Of course, right here we broke a little trend. Uh, well, I don't know why I just drew that because we already have the trend, the bigger trend. That just was confirmation when we bounced here. Um, so yeah, I'm sorry, we broke the trend. Then had the confirmation, we bounced there. But you get the point. We're on an uptick, and now we're seeing if this fib that I drew yesterday can hold up. So far it just got a bounce, and we're getting supported off of it. So we'll see how that works out. Um, so Cardano's still looking good. Like I said, we could get a little retracement, maybe to 235. Um, let's see, Bitcoin. We could see a little retracement. Let's go to the 4 hour, or we not. I mean, the 4 hour looks good right now still. But if we do see a retracement, maybe down to 47, 47 area. Possibly the worst case scenario, 46,500. But guys, this is not something I'm saying is going to happen. But if we do start to close down, then yeah, that is something that could happen. I wouldn't want to see us going. Let's see, what was the daily high? Let's look at the high. Okay, so if we get back under, actually, I want to see 46,500 hold up. We don't want to see, 46,500 hold up. We don't want to see it going back under there. If it goes back under there, then yeah, we could be in trouble. But I think that's going to hold, and we're going to have more upside for this week. Ethereum, we came close to hitting our target. I think we had it right. Yeah, we had it in this purple box. Came very close. We were $11 away. But like I said, guys, I still think there's still more. There's still more to come. I just think we trade sideways here for a little bit. We could stay up in this area. We could come down a little bit. We could trade sideways a little bit. I'm not saying like here we could trade sideways into this zone. Something like this. We bounce around, then go for a couple days or a day or whatever. We do want these averages to move up and catch up a little bit with us. We're a little bit far from them. We look at the daily. I mean, you can see how far up we are, and that's just on Matic. We look at the daily here. We see how far up we are from that. So, I mean, so far everything's working exactly as we predicted it was going to work. We hit some good targets. Everything's getting a little pullback. Bitcoin dominance is going up a little bit, so Bitcoin's kind of dominating while altcoins kind of drop a little bit, as you can see right here. We're getting a little drop on Cardano. Matic's getting a little pullback from our target. So yeah, but guys, you do what you guys want with this information. I'm just doing a little quick video. I think that, yeah, there is a little pullback in the cards. It's happening right now as we speak. Bitcoin's holding up, so that's good. But yeah, I mean, it's nothing. Whatever pullback we get, I wouldn't be too scared of it. If anything, more opportunities to buy dips, in my opinion, because I think we're going to go higher throughout this week and through the weekend and through next week. So, guys, listen, much love to you guys. I'm glad if you guys sub to my YouTube channel and you hit that bell and hit that all, you didn't miss any of my videos, because they do like the shadow ban. So that's a good way to get my alert right away, is hit that bell and hit that all. You could also follow me on Twitter, Moondog Trading 1. And of course, my YouTube is just Moondog Trading. Okay. So yeah, so listen, much love to you guys. I just wanted to guys give you a quick update. So if you guys saw this pullback, there's no reason to panic. It's just something that needs to happen a little bit. A little pullback needs to happen, and then we should go higher from there. If anything, like I said, take advantage of buy the dips, because I think, yeah, for sure, this is not over with, guys. So much love. If anything does change and something gets really ugly, I'll jump on here right away and make an update. If not, I'll try to do a video later tonight after we get the candle closed around 8 o'clock tonight. So yeah, so once we get that candle close, I'll make a video probably about a half hour later, just to see where we're at with the movements, and then we'll go from there. See what kind of pullbacks we'll look for from there. But right now, we're kind of it's more of just looking at the chart, knowing that we're going to get a little pullback here. Don't panic. Buy the dips if you could. If we do break back under this low right here, then yeah, we could get a sign of panic. We could go lower then. Okay. So 46,500, I want to see hold up. Especially, we don't want to get under this 200, which is 45,700 area. We want to see this 200-day moving average hold up as well, which is this green line that I have pointed on my chart right here. But guys, everything's still looking good. Like I said, I'm so happy for all you guys. Once again, we did it again. We crushed it. I gave you the warnings ahead of time. Even if you were day trading this or whatever you wanted to do, we called the moves. We got it perfect. And I still think there's more upside. So if you do feel like just holding, that's fine. Or taking profit, buying a little cheaper, that's up to you guys. Whatever your strategy is. But I feel like I did my job once again, and I'm very proud of all you guys that are learning. And I just started this channel a couple months ago, so I'm very proud of doing this for you guys. And I love all you guys, and I just want all you guys to succeed. So much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub, hit that bell, and we'll do a video later tonight. Keep you guys updated. Until then, peace out.